So yesterday was my 90th day on YouTube. I committed to 90 days, 3 videos a week, and I guess I can do this. Hey, I'm Soul. I'm an energy healer, and here we do the inner work and the outer work to show up as the best versions of ourselves. I wanted to get this video out yesterday, exactly on my 90th day, but instead I spent close to 5 hours with my dad, getting his TV set up, his trying to figure out how we're going to get all his favorite shows on there, and I regret nothing because that's the whole point of this channel, to help others spend more time with their families. I see too many people, especially caregivers of parents, midlife crisis parents, professionals, running on empty, me included. I see people giving up so much of themselves constantly and barely leaving anything in the tank for their own health and well being. And I know I've got the knowledge, the tools to help because I live the same nightmare every day. My skill set with energy healing, body talk, as woo woo as it is, it's the only thing that's helped me shift things in my life. Or if you've ever just wished you could have flipped a switch, energy healing is that switch for me. It gives the ability to listen to yourself. It's about syncing up the body's communication, clearing up emotional blocks, healing generational trauma, to create space to breathe again. So I committed to showing up here to share what I know. Those first 30 days learning to film, edit, just staying consistent while working full time, setting up, a side business, running a sandwich generation household. There are there are current moments of doubt, times of deep despair. Um, but then I get messages, comments. I'll put a couple examples here. Um, and that's only 90 days in. I want to know what day 900 looks like. On day 542, will I get to spend that day with my family without time, location, and financial restrictions? Like, I just get to be present and, get the notification of my video premiering. I have no idea what that will look like. But if I stopped right now, I'll never know. The other thing that keeps me going, because I don't have a lot of subscribers, I'm pretty okay with like my view count. Um, it's but it's not about those things, right? Not everyone that comes to me will want to subscribe. And so growth looks like a couple of examples here. Growth looks like a mom and their teenage son finally reconnecting, even though they see each other every day. A couple suddenly being able to communicate and reconcile again after months of postpartum. Seeing a new mom who's also caring for their mom who had a stroke, getting to be with them and crying tears of joy because they just finally felt seen. That's the impact that I get to witness. That's why I'm here. I helped one more person, one more family become better. And I want to do more of that. I want to get to the point where that's all I do. Because right now I work um, where that's not always possible. And I want to be able to proudly tell my son, I get paid to help people. I also get to teach him how to do the same. It's a lifestyle. It's not something we only do part time or when we clock out. So now that the 90 days is up, what's next? I'm going to do a hard 75 on here. If you haven't heard of what a hard 75 challenge is, it's about mental toughness with, it comes out of the exercise community with like working out straight uh, 75 days, uh, right? Clean eating, no excuses. But here I will be doing daily uploads for the next 75 days. I got this idea from another YouTuber, Frankie too. That's her second channel, and this isn't unique or new. Some of the big channels like Mr. Beast does this, in the world of alternative self-help. Aaron Doty did this for a time. Master Shriya Karshna does this, and um, he actually attempted to stop doing daily videos at one point, and people lost it. They like lost their minds. Um, and so he went right back to uploading daily. So clearly, uploading daily videos does something for the algorithm and for the audience. And many of my videos over the next 75 days, I have yet to plan. At this very moment, I think I've got like 40 or so videos. The first 90 days really helped me to set up standing videos that make it easy to work on and cut down on that number. So like my work with me sessions, my healing, my energy healing sessions. So in theory, I only have to come up with maybe 4 or 5 videos a week. That's still easier said than done, but it has been done, and I will get there. We will get there. And don't get me wrong, this isn't a hustle. I am deliberately choosing presence over perfection. It's about pushing past my limits from a place of love and not from a place of punishment, because I'm already in pain, and um, beating myself up over little things will not help me crank out 75 videos. It certainly didn't help me in the first 90 days. And as we know, life does not stop, especially for those of us part of the sandwich generation. There is always something. If it's not the kids, it's your aging parents, your spouse, work, your own body going, hey, remember me? So I want to show what it's like to honor yourself, honor your soul, even when the world pulls you in every direction. Um, so over the next 75 days, other than me being here for entertainment purposes, some of the things that I uh, have are navigating relationships of all kinds, how to prep before conversations, what to do when conversations implode, and how to be kind instead of being right. Continuing a mini series that I started, connecting with past, present, and future versions of ourselves, and a bunch of different reframing videos, different aspects of life to help train our brains for different or new possibilities, and a little bit of behind the scenes. I haven't done that so much. And so I'll talk about what I'm working on uh, in my Work With Me videos. Uh, in those videos, you can also see me like watching stuff. So talk about what I'm watching. And of course, the off days of when I don't want to be on camera, but show up anyway. Some days will be polished. Other days will just be jammy days, and much more. But again, I haven't figured out every single video. But if you are down to hang out, comment below. Let me know one thing you need healed right now, and I'll tailor some of the healing sessions to that. So if you've ever thought, I love my family, but I'm burnt out, I feel guilty when I rest, even though I need it, and you're my people. And let's be sandwiched together. We all deserve healing, not just survival. And that's day 90 and day 1 of 75. Please subscribe. YouTube has informed me there are 16 of you who returned to my channel. If all 16 of you subscribe today, our numbers would double. And together we'll empower many more people to become the best versions of ourselves. So I guess I'll see you tomorrow.